This is perhaps the most disgusting Uniden waterproof telephone I've ever seen. It's so sticky and so junked up, I'm not even going to do the initial checkout. I'm just going to clean it because it's like you can actually see how much stuff is built up on the buttons. I don't understand how people use stuff like this. I mean, just wipe it down every so often. It's waterproof. It can get wet. It's so easy to clean these things. This is nasty. And there it is, all cleaned up. Now we'll test it, and worst case scenario, it doesn't work, I'll just swap the electronics for one that works. But that was pretty nasty. Actually, I'm surprised the rubber is in such good condition, because a lot of times when these phones get exposed to that kind of dirt for long periods of time, the rubber starts to come off. But this one has been quite good condition.